Hey guys, here's Franz from Pulp-Tec, and today I'm again at our manufacturing facility for compounds. And today I want to show you our PurePaper products. They are made from our paper pellets. They are fully developed and manufactured at our own facility. And the characteristic of these paper pellets is in PurePaper, they are 100% paper, and at the same time they are such that we can injection mold them in our special machines. With heat and pressure, we push the material into the tools and we create the shape of the product. Here you can see the final product. In this case it's a balloon cup. You have an air balloon on the top and a stick at the bottom so the children can play with it. This product has been prohibited by the European Union to be made out of plastic because it was creating a lot of waste in nature. And with this product, it can be recycled in the waste paper stream anywhere around the world without any limitation. Or if it ends up in nature, it disintegrates within a few days. I hope to see you soon with new applications and new products for this great material. See you soon, bye bye.